Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 3 ways to get candies in Dress to Impress. So basically, candies are to open items here. If you go to this section over here and go to clothing, there's the Jester Ruff, Jester Mask, Jester Bodysuit, Sweet Scream Shoes, Sweet Screams Purse, and Sweet Screams Dress. I don't know why it's hard for me to say that. And they're all, I think, 2,000, 2,300 something. I don't remember how much they all cost. But if you need candies, you can do the daily tasks. Every single day you'll get 40 candies. Sometimes you can get more, depending on the daily tasks. Yesterday I got like 50 on the daily task here, so it's kind of random. You can also get candies from the Baddie Pass. You get 200 from the free one, but you can also get extra candies if you have the diamond pass. If you teleport to the free play mode, you'll find the third way to get candies, and that is to either go trick-or-treating or apple bobbing. You'll get a lesser chance doing the trick-or-treating though, because I don't know, it's just very hard to get like a treat there. So you can just do apple bobbing instead. You'll get only 10 though per 5 minutes. So again, I think it's super tedious to get it this way too. Here there should be like a bar. But honestly, I think you still have time to get candies here. That's the apple bobbing area, and again, you can also go trick-or-treating. Sometimes they give you a candy, but again, the chances are so rare. So yeah, that's 3 ways how you can get candies in Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.